Peardeck. Today I'm going to show you how to add on Peardeck in Google Slides. First you have to go to Google Slides and you're going to notice that you have this menu bar on the top. If for some reason you don't see that menu bar, all the way to the right you can hide menus. So if it's not there, more than likely it's hidden. So we push that arrow down and it will appear for you. Now next to Tools is Add-ons. You're going to get add-ons. Peardeck should appear for you in the tiles. If it does not, you can enter it in the search tab at the top. When you hover over Peardeck, you click the blue plus free button. You're going to have to sign into it with your account and then allow it to access your slides. You're going to notice now we have Peardeck. Because I'm a slide from this presentation for the students to write on in live session, I'm going to hit Present Lesson now. It's loading the entire presentation, but then I'm going to just choose the slide that I want them to see. Now here there are two ways that kids can get to your Peardeck slides. They can log on to joinpd.com and type in your code that you get a new one every time you start a Peardeck slide. Or, especially in the younger grades, it's easier to click Give Students a Link. You'll notice it's copied now to my clipboard. I can just go right over to my live session, Control V to paste that in the chat, and then the students can click the live link to get to my Peardeck from there. Okay, so we are loaded in Peardeck now. And I want you to see the bottom of this screen also. I'm going to go to the slide that I want my students to write on. And that's going to be talking about CVC words. I'm going to have my students write a consonant, vowel, consonant word here. So what I'm going to do is for them to be able to edit or write on the screen, I have to go to Add New Question so they can write on it, choose the slide that I would like, and then choose Draw on Image. I'm going to show you now what that's going to look like from the student point of view. So the students now have all these great colors. They can draw with a highlighter. They can use their stylus if they would like. They can go ahead and change their colors. They can also use the text box and type in using their keyboard. Now what does this look like from the teacher's point of view? I want to see what the students are doing. I can go to Show Responses here, and it will show me exactly what the student's doing as they're writing it too. So I'd be able to see this student, I'd be able to scroll down and see all of the other students. Each student will have their own slide. Or I can look at it this way also. I can open Dashboard in a new window. And it will show I have one student logged in, and it's just myself. But here you would have all of your students' names that were logged in. And you would be able to scroll down, and below this you would see the next slide, and so on. So you would be able to not only give them instant feedback from these slides, but you can save these slides and grade them. So if there's an assignment you would like for them to push out and do during your live session, this is a great way to do that. And then you can enter manually the grades for you, so if they don't have to submit it through Canvas. So if you have any more questions about this, just let me know and play around with it. It's a lot of fun, it's very useful, and the kids really enjoy it.